Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in this video we are going to learn how to send Discord messages from Microsoft Excel. So here I've created a worksheet in my Microsoft Excel account where I'm adding some task details. So here in this case I want whenever a new detail is added in my Microsoft Excel sheet, automatically an alert message should be sent to my team on my Discord channel. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pably Connect. So here Pably Connect works on two principles, that are trigger and action. So here our trigger application will be Microsoft Excel and our action application will be Discord. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here you can see a worksheet which I have created in my Microsoft Excel account with the name New Task. And here I have taken some fields such as task name, assignee and due date. So here in this case I want whenever I add a new task detail in this sheet, automatically an alert message should be sent to my team on my Discord channel. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Microsoft Excel sheet with my Discord account. And to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pably Connect. This is the homepage of Pably Connect and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pably.com/connect. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pably apps window where you can see all the applications of Pably. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pably Connect. This is the dashboard of Pably Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send Discord messages from Microsoft Excel, and here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create your new folder, you can click on this learn more link. And by doing this, it will take you to our forum window. And here in our forum window, you can see all the instructions that how to create a new folder in Pably Connect. So moving back to Pably Connect's dashboard. And now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name send Discord messages from Microsoft Excel. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Microsoft Excel and my trigger event as new row in worksheet. So that whenever a new row is added in my Microsoft Excel worksheet, automatically Pably Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Microsoft Excel with Pably Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Microsoft Excel account is already connected with Pably Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Microsoft Excel. And here you can see it is asking for a permission. So here I'm going to give this permission by clicking on this accept button, as your data is secured with Pably. Authorization successful. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and now here it is asking me to select the workbook. So as I've already shown you that I have created my Microsoft Excel workbook with the name new task. So moving back to Pably window, and here I'm going to search for my workbook, that is new task. And after selecting this workbook, here I'm going to select my worksheet as sheet 1. Moving forward, and after selecting this workbook and worksheet, what we are going to do is that we are going to add a new task in our Microsoft Excel worksheet. So for that, let me take you back to my Excel sheet. And here I'm going to add a detail. So here I'm going to enter the task name as send sale alert. And here I'm going to give a assignee name, that would be dummy user, and due date as 25th June 2024. So here I've entered a detail. So moving back to Pably window, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the task title, assignee name and the due date. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger step. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as Discord. And my action event is send channel message markdown, so that whenever a new row is added in my Microsoft Excel, automatically a update message should be sent to my team on my Discord channel. And now to connect my Discord with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and here you can see it is asking for a webhook URL. So here in the instruction it says enter your webhook URL, follow these steps to get the webhook URL from your Discord account. So here let's open this. And here you can see it has taken us to our forum window where we can see all the instructions to get a webhook URL from our Discord channel. So here following all these instructions, here I've already logged in my Discord account and here I've created a channel with the name new task. So here to get the webhook URL, you need to select your Discord channel first, and after selecting the channel, you have to click on this edit channel option. And from here you have to select integrations, and under integration you can see we have received the option for webhooks. So here I'm going to click on this view webhooks, and now I'm going to create a new webhook by clicking on this new webhook button. And here you can see we have successfully created a new webhook with the name SpideyBot. So here let's copy this webhook URL. Moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to enter the webhook URL. Now here after entering this webhook URL, here it is asking for a message. So basically here I need to enter the message which I want to be sent to my team on my Discord channel on every new task. So for that here I'm going to enter a message. And here you can see the message which I have drafted which says hello team, new task created, task title, assignee name, due date. Please make sure to complete the task on time. Thank you. So here you can see I have left the values for the task title, assignee name and due date blank, because here instead of entering these details manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Microsoft Excel sheet. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever a new response is captured in my Excel sheet, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the task title, here I'm going to map the assignee name, and lastly here I'm going to map a due date. Now here after entering all these details moving forward, and now here it is asking for a bot name. So here I'm going to give a name to my bot, that would be new task. Moving forward, here this bot icon is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, but if you want to add any icon then you can do it as per your need. And now here for text to speech I'm going to select disable. And now after entering all the required data here, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Discord channel. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message which says, hello team, new task created, task title as send sale alerts, assignee name as dummy user, due date as 25th June 2024. Please make sure to complete the task on time. Thank you. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example. And to test our automation, we need to add a new detail in our Microsoft Excel sheet. So for that, let me take you back to my Excel sheet. And here I'm going to add a new detail where I'm going to enter the task name as create a lead backup. And here I'm going to give a assignee name as test user and due date as 30 June 2024. So here I've successfully added a new detail. So now let's go and check our Discord channel. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see after refreshing also we haven't received a new message yet. That is because here the Microsoft Excel is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new response in next 8 hours. So now here we have to wait for some time. So now here it's been some time. So now let's go and check our Discord channel. And here you can see we have successfully received a new response where we have received the message as hello team, new task created, task title as create leads backup, assignee name as test user and due date as 30 June 2024. Please make sure to complete the task on time. Thank you. So with this we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Microsoft Excel and an action as Discord, so that whenever a new detail is added in my Microsoft Excel sheet, automatically an alert message should be sent to my team on my Discord channel. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.